Batangas, grateful community. It is my privilege to recognize and celebrate the outstanding grade schoolers from the class of 5 Aguinaldo. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have brought you to this proud moment. Drake Miro B. Iglesia with honors. Batangas City Private Schools Association, Visit Luisa Table Tennis, Seagull second place. Batangas University Schools and Colleges, Athletic Association, Busaka, Table Tennis Seagulls third place.